I'm a co-owner with my brother Rich, and been involved working full-time since 1979 when we opened up Aberjona.
Working with these people is just great. And all of a sudden, what you thought was important is meaningless when you're talking to someone about their mother and the care of their mother or their husband or their wife.
I heard about Salter HealthCare through family members. My mother-in-law worked here, retired with the Salters.
I grew up actually right down the street from Woburn Nursing Center. My grandfather was here when I was a kid. They're just a great company to work for. Richard and Robert are great. Gershon was a great man.
Gershon Salter, he hired me in it was late 70s.
I met my husband, got engaged, got married, had my kids. I'll be married 26 years now.
Yeah, he's almost like a second father to me, really,
It's like home.
And we've had tremendous longevity throughout the organization. Our director of nurses have been here at least 15 years or longer. Our executive directors have been here a long time, all the way through the organization.
I bumped into a nurse in the corridor of Aberjona the other day. She had been with us for 30 years. It was very heartwarming to know that, she had spent her adult sort of working life with us, had been able to grow from being a nurse's aide to a licensed nurse.
I went to the Salters because they're a family-based, family-oriented run company. There's not too many layers to the top, and it becomes very personal, which makes for a great environment for working when you have families.
To be able to do what I can do, for my kids and still be, work with a great group of people and a management that understands that people have families and people have responsibilities outside of that.
I loved coming in because I did enjoy working with the seniors. I did enjoy watching my mom come to work and seeing what she did. And I think it really gave me a sense of appreciating your elders.
It's always been about the quality of the staff that we have working here and the teamwork and the feeling of camaraderie that they have towards each other that makes the place enjoyable to work at.
The support team that you get at Aberjona or all Salters homes really help to foster the learning. They're always progressive and allowing us to try new things.
It's nice to be able to work for a company that's adaptive. The healthcare market's changing dramatically. And as it's changed over the years, we've been able to adapt to those changes.
It's important to emphasize how much the industry has changed. How we've moved from a traditional nursing home to a skilled rehab facility with physical therapy and occupational therapy, speech therapy, and continuing to grow our clinical capabilities.
Now we do very aggressive post-acute care, which is not only physical therapy and occupational therapy rehab, but wound care and disease management and pain management.
Our staff has been phenomenal in growing with us and learning the new clinical technology, learning the new procedures, learning the new rules and regulations that go along with it, and it's been amazing.
Our staff knows the patient by name, they know the family knows them by name. That's a really important piece that we're always making sure that we're focused on that if people know each other, then when issues come up, you'll be able to solve them much easier.
I love the fact that the quality of the care that they deliver to the elders in the community it's top-notch. And in this changing industry of healthcare and geriatric care, they continue to look at all the areas that need to be looked at.
I think that both Rich and I are very proud of the care that we give. We completely want to acknowledge the staff for doing that and for being able to provide that.
We have an amazing team of dedicated people that give to their profession and the care and the patients in ways that I could never dream that I could do. We are only as good as the people that give the care, and they're amazing to me. Every day they amaze me.
In the last year and a half working for the Salters, it's definitely something I can picture doing now for the rest of my life.
What Salters has done, clearly that I've been with them for so long, is they've helped me and encouraged me to love what I do.